Do not pay somebody to build you a Shopify store because I'm going to do it free with 20 handpicked products.
I'm at a party, I don't wanna be at. And I don't ever wear a suit and tie. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eye. Can you take my hand, finish my drink, say, shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I'm fitting at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah. I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in? Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen of TradeCaster.com, guys? Whoa, we're looking to get it popping, baby. Let's get it started. Let's get it kicking. Guys, what is up? What is up? What is up? Give me 1 second here. Woo-woo. Hey, what's up, Jordan Queen? What's up, Gigi? Give me 1 second, buddy. I'll send that to you. Give me 1 second. I'm here a little bit late, so we're gonna kick it off early. We're just gonna get straight into it. Give me 1 second.
You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby. No.
1 second, guys.
Like nobody but you, it's like you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby.
If I can type.
I don't like nobody but you.
Gotta log into my one account.
I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't like nobody but you. It's like you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby.
There we go. Bada bing, bada boom, baby. We are in. We are good to go, guys. All right. So, ladies and gentlemen, got this loaded up. What a day so far, man. What a day. There we go. Hopefully, you guys, that's not too loud for you guys. Okay. Like I said, what a day starting off already, ladies and gentlemen. Little push off of 8:30 a.m. Basically, 8:30 a.m. news really ripped this up. We're back up to 456, guys. What's my thoughts of the day? What's my game plan? I really kind of, you know, it really depends. So, we're coming up into it, right? We did break the 50-day. We ended up breaking it, but we kind of had this fat, like, double bottom almost. As you see right here, a fat bottom right here on S&P. Kind of came down to the price of 454, which we did before and before and before and before. Coming back up, I could see 459 today, guys. So, we're going to wait, watch, see. I mean, that's kind of the game plan, waiting to see 459 on that. Yeah, but I'm going to be taking trades into, what is it? Still on NQ, ES, RTY. Just S&P, I'm thinking we're going long today up until, you know, up to 459. Been riding the long way, made 2.6K. Got 2 more accounts to trade at open, baby. Woo! Oh, baby, yo. You guys are already printing, dude. Looking for a pullback and continuation up. Word up. So, ladies and gentlemen, I'm glad you guys are already printing, dude. I have no trades so far today. I'm waiting and watching. Waiting and watching per the usual. Gonna look at the 30 minutes here. We have about 4 minutes till market open here. So, same thing as yesterday, guys. Hey, anyone see that kind of? Anyone see that it's kind of the same way as yesterday was? So, where was yesterday at open? Yesterday, is this open yesterday? Yesterday, yes, right here. Open kind of came into play, and bada bing, bada boom. It did come back down. It never really fell flat, though. Or is this, no, maybe this was it. Right, because right here is that 9:30 open, yes. Because we were climbing, ripping, running, and look what happened. We sold off. Climbing, ripping, running. Are we going to sell off? Who knows, man? RTY with a push. Guys, it's going to be a wild one, man. Market open's going to be crazy. Yeah, like I said, in about 3 minutes here, guys. Yep. So RTY on a little bit of that downtrend. So we are. I mean, it's so hard to say, but my confidence levels are saying YB, take it easy. Wait a second. YB, take it easy. Wait a second. Because as you see right here, guys, we had that nice push up right at market open, sell off all day. Nice push up in market open. Let's see what happens, guys. So I'm going to wait a second coming into this market. I would love to buy right here, guys, on NQ, on ES, and just hold it out all day. But will it hold up all day is a real question. So, yeah, buddy. Chilling out, guys. Chilling, man. I mean, I'm loving it, man. It's a beauty. Yeah, man. I mean, ES as well, bro. Guys, I was not here at 8:30. 8:30, there was definitely a move, though. For some reason, ES started the spike at 8:37, which is kind of crazy. So, like, you know, I don't know why it started the spike at 8:37, not 8:30, and started the rip and run a couple minutes late, but, you know, not terrible either. So, yep, fire for Turnt Trader, baby. Way above the upper Bollinger Band on the hourly and 30-minute. Would like to see a pullback before going long. Yep. And that's kind of how I am, man. I mean, looking at NQ, it's shaping up the same as yesterday for the sell-off at market open, which I may take. RTY did the same thing yesterday at market open. Wednesday, market open, that's 18:30. Where was that? 9:30. Right here? Yep, 9:30 yesterday. Look at that. Boom, big spike. So RTY was the only one that kind of performed yesterday. It is shaping up to be the exact same way. We basically have about less than a minute here, guys. So get your stuff loaded up and ready to go, man. Get your stuff loaded up and ready to go. Gonna load up all 1 minute here, guys. Less than a minute. I think RTY probably gets a push off open. We'll see. It could do the opposite, obviously, but might make a
order filled.
I'm gonna do this and then put a stop right there. If it's gonna sell off, it's gonna sell off. I have the risk to reward ratio up already. So looking for a red to green. Okay.
Stop filled.
Immediately, only 260. That's fine. That is fine. It's like, YB, why would you do that off open immediately? Just in case it did the opposite. Just in case it went the opposite. That RR ratio is worth it. That's basically right there. A 1 to 5 would have been like $1,000 on the day. Off the rip. And here it comes right back up, guys. So, I'm fine with that 100%. So, yeah. Like I said, though, I mean, RTY yesterday did the same thing. It did this, but instead of dumping, it spiked right off open. Continued to rip and run and spike and get the gap up. So, like, you know, sometimes you gotta take a lotto play. Okay, guys? Okay, guys? Okay. We all know about lotto plays. Yeah, there's the pullback. Yup, I'm waiting for that maybe high day break to get in on this. I like that. Look at that rejection in the next spike, guys. That is beautiful.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in because I know that this can continue to rip and run, guys. I'm in because I know this can continue to rip and run and take off on me, bro. I want to see it above this price here of 60. Above 60. Look at that. Wow, ladies and gentlemen. Above 60 looks beautiful. RTY holding up. RTY looking for that next push here, guys. Dude, what? This is so wow. We'll get out of this shortly. RTY needed to shape out like S&P. You know, get on my finger on the trigger, but I have my thoughts about this. Really, starting to fall to the downside, guys. Might get out of this one here. I have a stop loss set in my head. But wow, guys, yup. So, on the money. Market trading, man. Next candle form, need to see a lower shadow. Look at NQ, bro. Bro! I'm trading the wrong stock, guys. I'm trading the wrong ticker, bro. That's what's happening. So I'm going to get a dip buy
Order
down here.
filled.
My stop loss is going to be close, but I would love to see a rip and run. Coming back up, would love to see it above. If RTY doesn't, RTY will pick a direction and stick with it all day. I am fully aware of that. 54.60, guys. Below 54.60. I do not want to see it come down to that. I want to see it rip and run back up to above 58. But look at NQ, guys. Wow. So hopefully this starts to affect it in the same way as NQ. I mean, excuse me, RTY will start to get that nice spike, rip and run back up to above 60. That's kind of what I'm looking at here for a push back above 60, above the 9-day EMA. Sorry, guys, I'm getting blinded here. Need to see a red to green here above this 14-day EMA to the top side, guys. RTY never got that push like S&P, ES, NQ. Russell 2000, obviously different tickers, different stocks. Still though, kind of crazy. RTY usually plays out way cleaner than these guys do. Like 10 times cleaner, bro. No, not clean at all. Not clean at all. Coming down. Finger on the trigger, guys. About to get out of this. Don't want to see it come down below the last ticker. Is that it? I could see a spike, but like it would have to hit. Look at NQ, guys. Hold that 50-day RTY. Continue to push up. Continue to spike to the top side here, RTY. RTY, I need to see a red to green here. No, I think RTY chose its direction, guys. I think RTY chose its direction. If it goes below this candle, I can't say it. I gotta get out, but I could see this reversing. Look at S&P. This all looks so beautiful. I'm gonna do that, and I'm coming in on NQ, guys. NQ overall is spiking, ripping, and running.
Order filled.
I'm just gonna get in here for the push up and the continuation to the top side, guys. Boom, baby!
Stop filled.
Wow, dude. So let's see how far NQ overall can spike. I mean, if NQ, dude, they keep pushing, guys. Maybe this was a ticker I was supposed to trade in the first place, guys. Need to see this continue here. Kind of looks nice. I would need to see a red to green, guys. I do definitely think if S&P can get that push, it's going to happen. 100%. I know it's like YB, oh man, you're kind of trading a little bit crappy right now. But it's like, yo, I'm not. I mean, it's all thought process, guys. It's all process. S&P, yeah, maybe I should have TP'd there, guys. I don't know. Maybe I might take a breather after this trade and just take a second to come back and be like, whoa. Kind of reflect for a second, you know what I mean? So being down 1,300 already on the account on the day, not great. Not what I was looking to do. Obviously not looking to do on this account. Still have two other ones. It's okay. They're both all basically at the same price. Want to see them. Looking to see it come back up. Looking to see it come back up. Looking to see it come back up. Hold these highs up. Want to see it come back up to the price of 963. Guys.
Stop filled.
So I had my opportunity there. Had my opportunity to get out and take my profit. Did not take my profit there, guys. So I think I'm going to take a second, reflect on this trade. Reflect. I'm not going to reflect on the trade. The trade was the trade. I mean, I was just looking for a high day break. There's nothing to reflect on. I got what I was looking for. I just didn't take profit at all. So it was simple too. It was only 360. Archie wise, what screwed me, you know, kind of letting it, it kind of wasn't even bad. That was kind of the price I was looking for. Yeah, I'm not going to say these trades are really bad. It's kind of what happens sometimes though. You can be right or you can be wrong. I mean, that's kind of how it works. NQ overall though, still holding that 9-day EMA, guys. I'm not going to say that this isn't a pullback on NQ. I can't say that this doesn't look like a great pullback opportunity on NQ. Yeah, bro, I should have taken that. I definitely should have taken that. I don't know why I was hesitant. That's so dumb, bro. I should have taken that 100%. 100%. This even looks great here, guys.
Order filled.
Gonna get in. I'm not gonna make as much as I would have made if I would have gotten on that dip buy, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gonna be honest. I'm not gonna make as much as I could have if I was in on that dip buy, guys. But I'm still looking to make some here. Yep. Pushing up and above 980. Nice. Continue this push. Nice. Holding 80 makes me feel confident if it can. Hold 80.
Order filled.
I'm gonna have to take it, guys. I don't know. I'm gonna go to RTY. I might even play the opposite here on RTY. RTY to the downside, guys. You want to go to the downside, RTY? Like, let's
Order
go to the
filled.
downside then, right? Stop loss would be at 52. I would love to see this continue to fall flat. Underneath this 200 now is why I got in. Not a bad play. Tiny stop loss. Want to see it come down to 50. Want to see what happens at 50. Continue to fall flat here, guys. So RTY is starting to come down, guys. Nice. Looking for 48, guys.
Stop filled.
Yep. And that's gonna happen, guys. So, hey, guys, ladies and gentlemen. You know, it just keeps playing, and I might even do another dip buy here on. I'm gonna keep playing these, guys. I'm gonna play it on this account now. I may play with larger size, and some of you guys might not agree with that either, but it's kind of how you dig yourself out of a hole. You play with larger size, you look for a smaller move, you make yourself back the amount, and that's it. You're done on the day. I would love to see S&P continue to push, rip, and run here. Dragging NQ up as well. NQ overall starting to come down, guys. Guys, all it was that RTY trade-off open. Not the first one, but the second one. That wasn't dumb at all. It was just the amount. I didn't calculate the sheer amount I should have been getting in. There shouldn't have been a DCA on that play. It should have been a straight, just break even, done. So giving NQ a second here, guys. We have news at 10 a.m. I think NQ can bounce here 100%.
Order filled.
Gonna get in here, seeing if it can hold above the 9-day EMA as it has before and just continue to rip and run like I think it can. I think we can push 70 again. We'll keep its tighter stop loss, not thinking it's gonna hit though. Want to see this come up and at least touch 60.
Stop filled.
Another one hit, guys. Yeah, bro. I mean, it should be a waiting game. I'm just not waiting. And I won't wait. And I won't. And I will continue to trade this account, guys. Some of you guys might not agree. Once again, it's one of those things. You might be like, YB, why just continue to trade it? Because I have a setup. I just keep seeing setups, but they're just not working out. But I'm looking for the one to work out, guys. The one that works out will pay the bills. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of the RR ratio, man. So being down 2,500 is never great. But if I catch a massive dump, if I catch a nice dump, not even a massive dump, but I just seen a nice dump, bro. I seen a medium to nice dump, bro. I just seen a medium to nice dip buy. Something great. I don't know. Yep. There's the pullback. Yep. There you go. It's huge last week. Could see a rejection. 971. 971. Yeah, I mean, you know, back to back, guys. Yeah, 100%. And right there it is, man. And like, I'm looking for these dip buys. I think I'm just a second too early on them, man. Like, I feel like I can't get in right now because of the dip buy, bro. I feel like it's not there no more. Like, I can't get in because, I mean, that could be just another shoulder and another sell-off. RTY kind of looking nice, but RTY is kind of F me today already, and it's not even 10 a.m. So that's where a majority of the loss did come from, guys, is RTY. Yeah, in the first, like I said, 10 minutes. Not saying I shouldn't trade it again just because of that, as that looks beautiful. I was looking for that to crack here. But at the same time, I'm going to be cautious because it's wiki. Yeah, that's all it is wiki. It's super wiki, guys. Something like that, guys. And I want NQ to kind of sell off here, guys.
Order filled.
Getting in the short here. Am looking for the sell-off to come in underneath that trend line, guys. Want to see it crack down below all of my levels here, guys. Would love to see this here. S&P starting to crack also its trend lines and its points. Want to see this 50-day come into play, see what happens here. Want to see that crack there, guys. %, looking for that to crack. It looks beautiful. If S&P can crack that, guys, it's going down. Lower shadow coming in on NQ overall as well, guys. I mean, not lower shadow, excuse me. Lower highs coming in, starting to flash to the downside. I think we got it. I am not going to lie. We are overextended to the top side. S&P starting to crack. We get the one crack on S&P, guys, after this little consolidation. Dude, dump city. There it goes, guys. There it goes. There she goes. There she blows, baby. There she goes, baby. Boom, baby. Now looking for it to hold underneath that 50. Continue to crash here, guys. Looking for it to continue to crash, guys. Right underneath its points here on S&P. Boom, baby. Boom, baby. All across the board, guys. Guys, want to see that red continue here, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see that red continue. Nice. If it goes green to red here, bro, it's beautiful. If it goes green to red, come on, S&P. Do it. Do it, baby. Do it, baby. Hit me with it, baby. Let's go, baby. Come on. Boom to the downside, bro. Boom goes the dynamite, baby, yo. Let this thing dump-a-roo, guys. Let this thing take off to the downside on you, ladies and gentlemen. So what am I looking for? I'm looking for 909 if anything. I want to see these lows hold up and continue to push now. Now we have room to run and rip to the downside, guys. Continue this up. Basically continue these lows as we're underneath this 200 day now on the NQ overall as well. There it goes, guys. What a beautiful play. What a beautiful play, guys. Looking for those lows to hold up. Yes, bro. Hit me with it, please. More downside. Come on, baby. Hit me with it. Struggling a lot here, guys. Want to see that come down. Nice. Nice. Want to see that come down here, guys. Want to see that red come in. Ladies and gentlemen, NQ starting to push those lows even more. Ladies and gentlemen, NQ starting to push those lows even more, guys. I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it. What a beauty, dude. What a beauty. NQ has room down to its 200 now, guys. NQ now has room down to its 200 day, guys. That's kind of what I'm seeing. What a beauty, guys. Wow. I see that low getting pushed again. So looking for that red to come in down to the 200 day, guys. I definitely think NQ can do it. NQ overall, they're performing nicely here. There it goes, guys. There she goes. There she goes, guys. Oh, what a beauty, man. Oh, what a beauty, bro. Oh, what a beauty, baby! Oh, man, bro!
Order filled.
I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna take it. Bro, I'm gonna take it, baby. Bro, who just did that with me, bro? Ah! Just like that, dude. What? Bro, did anyone just catch that move with me? If only I wasn't red. Not the ear rape, but if only I wasn't red on the day to start, bro. Do you guys understand? Do you guys understand? So shout out to you guys. Shout out to you guys. Like I said, guys, you guys might be like, YB, why do you keep trading it? YB, why do you keep trading it? Guys, I know my RR ratios, guys. I know my risk to reward ratios, ladies and gentlemen. I know how much I should be risking to my reward. Hey, maybe I should have dimed it back on that RTY trade, as RTY does the opposite, bro. Maybe I should have dimed it back on the RTY trade. That's the only thing I would have done differently, is on this RTY trade right here. Not the first one, but the second one. I would have dimed it back. I would not have DCA'd. That is the only difference I would have made, okay? That's it. And I wouldn't have taken it so much off open. Yeah, that's really all I got. And look at that bro. Perfect sell, dude. I don't know why it filled me here. I wish it would have filled me down here. I was up 900 then. But, nonetheless, still a rather decent sell. Oh, and I somehow got my absolute max. Alright, hell yeah. So like I said, still a magnificent sell. So now these accounts are basically equal, which I love. So yeah, guys, I mean, literally like I said, I see room down to the 200. Boom, right there, 200 view up. Underneath that, guys, it was going crazy. That's why I gave it that second. It was going crazy, bro. It was going crazy. All right, give me 1 second, guys. I'll be right back with that. But nice job, ladies and gentlemen. All right, we're good to go. Sorry, guys. I did not have to leave. 15,890 stop loss. 15,890. Bro, Maven, you are printing, buddy. Grambo says, I may have sniped a top correlating up 110 on 1 micro. Dude, this guy is print city, bro. I'm taking a breather on this. Wait for a break to the downside or get above these candles. Wait, what prop firm did you use? What is it? This current into crappy chop. Right. I think that this is, guys. If somebody could please explain, and guys, above 60 would have been an amazing long. If somebody could please explain to me why this week's pretty slow. We get like 1 good move in the morning, and that's about it. Maven, I don't know how long you want to hold that for, buddy, but I would look to, if it can't break some of these highs, maybe get out. Those first 2 minutes have been great, and then the rest is meh. CPI and FOMC is next week. Okay. And you think, that causes, okay. All right. I'm with you, buddy. Yep, I'm with you, guys. I might think about another NQ short on another account, though, not this one. Probably on this one, underneath this view up and 200-day. Underneath this point, if it breaks both of those guys, I'd use that as my stop loss then. I'd get in at like 8.5, like 8.3, 8.2, and look, my stop loss would be like 9.1, 9.2. So basically 10-point swing, like 200 bucks. Compared to make as much as it can fall, man. S&P setting up for another higher low dump kind of here, guys. Couldn't break through the 50. Maven, if you're still up on this because your stop loss was 90, maybe look to take some of that profit. Just be cautious. It's not shaping up the best right now to the long side. That's why I say that, though. NQ overall come down as well. Beautiful day, beautiful play, guys. So just keep my eye out on it. Keep my eye out. If you guys got that 50-day EMA, you guys got a dip buy around there. Not really a dip buy. I sized way down since Tuesday. Deju Grambo. Yeah, I was going to say, buddy. Yup. I was going to say, man, after the 12K. And I don't know how much that's really good or bad, technically, for you guys. Also, YouTube, fellas. I haven't hit you guys with a good yeah, buddy, in a while. So let me hit you guys with a good yeah, buddy. Hopefully you guys love that trade, guys. I'm thinking about I'm going to clip that one up. Might clip that one up today. I think I learned finally, instead of relying on somebody else to make my edits, I think I finally learned how to edit my own TikToks, guys. Yup, I did it. Hey, what's up, TiVo? He said, are you the guy on YouTube? I think I'm that guy. I think so. Yeah. You using CapCut? Yup. Yeah, Forbes knows what's up. Yeah, buddy. Go NQ. Yeah, buddy. There you. Now this is shaping up nicely for a W pattern. This looked great. What made me be a little bit cautious, Maven, was this right here. So this was before these two candles, but it was coming down super hard. And you know what I'm saying? That lower high crack to the downside. But good job, man. If you took a little bit of profit, that's still good. I mean, you know, you had an 890 stop loss. Basically, okay, I see where you were at there. The VWAP and 200-day. I see that. Yep. Yeah, but good. Kudos to you, buddy. Yeah, but yeah, I am using CapCut. I'm sure it's right. Yep, CapCut. I'm learning to edit a little bit on it. I'm not the greatest. Ugh. Hey, what's up, Spy Props? Dude, we got all the boys in the house, baby. Spy Prob here as well. Yeah, dude. What is it? CapCut? I like it. I do like it. I like it better than Adobe Premiere. It's a little bit simpler than Adobe Premiere, and it also kind of it helps me like it gets I mean exactly. But yeah, I don't know. Adobe Premiere, there's so much going on, dude. It's so complicated, bro. But I was watching a YouTube video on CapCut, and I was like, okay, this looks great. It's easy to use, right? Yup. Except the captions, bro. The captions are weird sometimes. And I might, hey, bro, one of you guys maybe help your boy out or something, bro. Because whenever I made this TikTok video, I forget. I think I don't know what happened to it, man. I gotta re-edit it, bro. Something happened with it. Anyways, it's hard to fit. Like, I don't know how to do like the jump cuts. Adobe is for someone trying to professionalize an editing. Okay, like that be their literal like job, right? Okay. Which then you should be going to like Opus clips. It will make auto captions, and then okay. So if I put it into Opus, and then from Opus I can put it into CapCut, and then there I just gotta make. Huh. Okay, but then okay, we'll dive into it then. We'll dive into it then because yeah. But guys, I mean, data in 1 minute. We got 1 minute, guys. Less than 1 minute, guys. 15 seconds. Let's see. This data is gonna be a medium. So medium forecast on this one. Real quick, guys. As you see, United States, right there it is. Wholesale inventories, boom, medium. Here it goes, guys. Underneath this trend line, okay, 40 is crazy, guys. I'm thinking like 20. Is this on my other one? Yeah. Below this 200-day and VWAP. That's kind of what I'm thinking, guys. That's it. That's all I'm looking for. Alright, guys. So chillin', man. There it goes. Look at RTY now back above. RTY looking great. RTY, man. I might take a small position on this. Like 2 contracts. Never mind. Oh, man, dude. Never mind, guys. I'm gonna keep my fingers off RTY all day. I can't trust the wicks. The wicks are what gets me, man. Me and RTY are usually like boom, man. But I know Grambo. But it's like I can't trust it, bro. Look at that wick, dude. One of those wicks will just hit your stop loss like that. And I don't like to trade based off hope, man. Like, I'm not trading based off, oh, I hope it goes. Like, no, bro. You know what I mean? Higher lows does look beautiful for the next push, rip and run. Oh, I know it's gonna push rip and run, guys. What the frick? Okay. That looks so good. Like, any normal ticker would go, okay, here, higher lows, boom, pop, next pop. At least a double top, guys. And here it goes. So that's kind of what I'm looking at on RTY, but yeah, and there it is. Maybe, yeah, dude. I don't know. RTY is so hard to trade right now, man. So for any of you guys that are up on the RTY, man, kudos to you, man, because it is being weird right now. It is being weird right now, guys. I do not have any doctor's or dentist appointment today at 10:45 or 11, guys. So don't you look at that, crazy. Sorry guys, just faced some technical difficulties there. Just some technical difficulties. Don't worry about it. Yup. Yup, we're good to go. Anyways. For a funded account, drawdown is a certain amount of money you can lose, correct? Yes, so like my drawdown on this one is 4K, right? 5K. Well, this one technically 3940. 3940. I thought it was above. Okay, anyways. No, cause, yeah, that's true. On this one, see how it's 5K? So like that's the max I can lose, and I have to make 9, right? And then you get funded and blah blah blah. And when someone is in drawdown, do they have time to make it back to reset the account? So if you mean like when you're in a drawdown, do you like? So okay, so there's two different things. You have a drawdown and you have a trailing drawdown. Trailing drawdown means if my account, let's say on that one trade, that NQ trade, right, where I took the puts here, the shorts all the way down here, I was up 9,000, right? And then I went back to break even. The account would have cut. It would have been done because I would have hit my trailing drawdown, meaning that my account was at one point up 9,000 bucks, right? But then I got what is it? It went below the the normal 5K. So trailing drawdown is what is on this account, right? But drawdown means that you can't hit a certain amount. So like let's say at 4 p.m. the end of the day on this account, I was at 153,000 and it's a 150K account, and they say I can't lose 5,000. Well, now it just went from 145,000 to 148,000, right? Because I'm up 3,000, and 153 minus 148 is 5K, right? So that's basically it. It just goes. But the trailing drawdown is if I'm up at any given point, up like set amount, I cannot. That is now my new 5,000. Like it just goes with it. Versus like it just okay. Hold on, let me do this. Imagine like I'm up, like this is my P&L, right? When it goes up, this is how much I'm up, right? This is my trailing drawdown. Well, they just move like this. And then like they just move basically like this, right? And then if I go here, now this stays here. If I drop down to it, boom, right? It's grabbed. But on a normal drawdown, it's here. Let's say I make 9K that same day. Let's say I make 9,000 that day, right? Hold on, let me bring this up. Let's say I make 9K that day. Well, my drawdown is here. My 9K is up here. Let's say I lose 9K that same day. I'm still here. I'm not losing the account or anything. That's kind of how that works. If that explains it a little bit better. NQ, definitely thinking about some longs on that. Maven, I know, is printing right now, bro.
Order
I'm
filled.
gonna take a long position, make my stop loss at 24.95. Like it above these points, guys. Want to see it continue to rip, run, and break out on me. Do I definitely think it can? Yes, I think it can go up to 50. That's where I'm looking at. I'm looking for 50, guys. I want to see it hold up on these highs and go to 50, guys. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. Nice. NQ overall starting to push back up.
Stop filled.
All right. 420 on this one. This is another account, by the way, guys. I am still looking at the shorts. I'm not going to lie. I'm looking at the trend line shorts now, though. So maybe accumulation, manipulation, distribution, guys. AMD. AMD strategy, man, might come in effect here, guys. I'm going to wait. I have patience with it. Like, as you guys know. You with Apex or Top Step? Both. Both of them, actually. I have a 50K with Top Step and then two 150Ks with Apex. NQ heading back up. Yeah, it looks great. If it breaks above again, I might get in. And I mean, S&P's holding up nicely. It's above that. It's kind of wicking right now. NQ overall, guys, also has a lot of resistance. Look, 250 view up. So it's kind of hard for me to get long on NQ when NQ overall, leading tech stocks in the NQ, are all below. If these dump, NQ will dump. You know, that's kind of how that works. And 9 times out of 10, they always ride out together. Because I'm just not really assertively confident.
Order filled.
I'm going to get in here. I'm going to test the waters again. Stop loss is going to be at 20. Want to see this thing take off, continue to take off. NQ overall starting to take off, guys. Want to see it break view up here, guys. Breaks view up. I know NQ can follow through. S&P is really helping, man. S&P is pushing the pack. Love it. I want to see him hold up, though. That's the thing. Broke once, broke twice. Want to see the second break kind of hold up. See out? Dude. Yeah, it looks so good. It looks so good here, guys. Especially with NQ overall. Wow. If it goes the other way, I'm going to take it again. I will take it either way. I know we're going to have a breakout one way or another here, guys. And I'm simply trying to play the breakout. I'm simply playing the breakout. One way or another, this thing's going to break out. And I don't care which way. This little loss of 900 will be made up through that. Look at this now coming down. Do I take shorts here now? Fuck yeah, I do. Oh. I'm getting chopped out, guys. That's it. I can't take shorts here. They're not confident. I'm not confident. S&P is not holding up to the downside, man. The market this past week has been pretty bad, guys. So if you're green this week, I do want you to know. Like, and when I mean bad, man, I mean choppy. I just mean choppy. When I say bad, I don't mean like it's a bad week. You know, it's a great week, honestly. Are we coming down? We're breaking out. I just cannot tell. I cannot tell with the wick on the day if we are truly breaking out, guys. We are U-shaping right here, guys. We are literally wicking right here, guys. We are coming back to the top side. If we break this again, I will get in longs. I will continue to touch those longs every time, man. It's just like, it just, yeah, man.
Order filled.
Gonna get in here. Gonna see what we can do, guys. I think one of these candles is gonna do it, baby. This might be it. First candle to end at this high. I think we got it. Very tight stop loss. Want to see it rip and run on me. That's kind of what we're looking at right now. It should never come back down to that. It should just continue to rip and run. NQ overall starting to break its. I want to see this break view up and continue to rip. Look at NQ. Beautiful. Moving with the S&P 500 here. Guys, buyers can pick this up, get the next leg up. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. Above view up now, guys. I love it. I love it, baby. Woo! There we go, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see this thing continue to rip and run on me, guys. Like I said, I was really looking for 50 to come in. I do think that can still hit. Wow. Oh, what a beauty, bro. What a beauty, guys. S&P now taking off. Gonna drive NQ up with it. Whoa. No. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. NQ overall getting its push. NQ getting its push. We'll have that in there. I want to see it continue to rip and run, guys. S&P pushed again. I know NQ will. Nice. Hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it. Hit me with it, bro. What a beauty, bro. What a beauty, guys. What a beauty, man. YB, what's your take profit? What's your take profit? Came up to 70. 70, not a bad number. I think 70's it. Yeah, I'll leave that. I'll leave that there. I think if it can break that high there, guys, it is yet to even touch it, so it doesn't matter. If it can break that high, guys, coming right back up, ladies and gentlemen, it got it. What a beauty. Want to see it continue here. Guys, starting to continue. Continuing to rip and run on me, man. I love it. Guys.
Order filled.
Why'd I take it? We're getting too overextended, guys. I'll take it. I'll take it, ladies and gentlemen. Guys. Again and again, baby. We just like, bro. Oh, what a beauty. Oh, maybe I took it too early, guys. Oh. We're getting overextended, but oh my goodness, man. All right, let's read some of these guys. Oh my goodness, look at that now, bro. Wow, bro. Not a very fast-paced day, and it's not supposed to be, man. I mean, oh, dude, wow. It's a beauty of a day, though, I'll tell you that. There it goes, guys, dude. Oh, my goodness, guys. That's so hard. Beautiful and cute. Bro, Maven, I know you printed, buddy. If you were still in from down here, buddy, you printed, dude. Oh, what a beauty, man. All right, let's read some of these. It's fighting the upper ATR level. Auto resistance, is that what that is? Oh, guys, yeah. Oh, my RTY, bro. RTY might break out here, guys. 1, 2, 3, we will see, man. And this is, dude, on 9 out of 10 stocks, this would break out here and rip and run. RTY being the 10 out of 10, though, not making that happen is crazy. All right. If you're doing a 50K drawdown, a prop firm challenge, once you beat the challenge, is there still drawdowns? So how it works is once you beat the challenge, right? Once you beat the challenge, you get your funded account. Once you pass a certain limit on your funded account, and let's say on Apex, right? My limit on my 150K, right? This is top steps, but it's, you know, let's say my limit on this this account, right, is I cannot what is it? Let me think about it. I can't lose 2,000, right? Well, let's say once I hit that, and let's say I go to my 50K funded or whatnot, now I can't lose 2,000 still. Well, once I take that first profit out, guys, that trailing drawdown goes away. Now your stop loss is now at 50,600 forever. So let's say your account's at 200,000. Your stop loss is still at 50,600. That's the beauty, right? Well, how do they make money then, YB? They hook copy traders up to you. So they'll hook a copy trader up to your account and they'll take your trades. It's like, well, it's like, oh, okay, that makes it, you know what I mean? It's like, yeah. So like, let's say I get this 150 account up to $1 million or something. Guys, my stop loss will forever be at 150,100 bucks or 150,600 bucks or something like that. So like, that means I can't lose like 800K. Basically, you're set. Guys, that's the whole point. Basically, you're set. Right? Unless you somehow fuck up and lose 900K or something like that to get up to $1 million. Like, that's really it. But you know what I mean? Like, you're set. That's it. You're done. Like, you are now a full-time, beyond a full-time stock trader. You made it. Good stuff, buddy. Like, that should be your guys' game plan. Now, I'm not saying get these account up to $1 million, because that means that's a little. I mean, maybe if you're balling, bro, and you're satisfied with the, and there goes RTY, guys. If you're satisfied with the amount, like, let's say you already have a house, you and your wife or your girlfriend are chilling, bro. You know, you don't really need to pull the money out, and you have a fat, like, stop loss wedge. Bro, don't pull the money out. Let it sit in there. Let it keep going, keep growing that space until it is literally almost impossible unless you take like a freaking 100, like unless you do something like this, like 100. Okay, you can't even do 100,000. I was just saying, unless you do like 100,000 contracts. Like, that's the game plan, guys. That's how you guys should all trade prop firms, man. With intent. Don't come in being like, yeah, maybe I'll pass this one, maybe you're not. No, come in with intent. Yeah, I'm gonna pass this. I'm gonna get at least $2 million in funding. And I'm going to copy trade. I'm going to hook them all together. I'm going to make $2,000 a day on each of them. I'm going to make $20K a day. Boom. Simple. Say, okay, why be so simple? Well, then how do we pass? Like, that's the game. You got to learn how to trade. It's like, that's the point. That's the game. You know? That's the whole game, baby, of trading. It's, okay, well, how do I do? Well, figure out how to trade. Is futures for you? Futures isn't for you. Now options. Do it with options. Hey, I'll give you 10,000 to trade with. Can you do it? Nice. 20, 30, 40, 50. The game is you got to learn how to trade with set amount. You're not going to be trading. You might be trading the same setups, but you're not going to be trading the same amount with $100,000 as you are with 1,000, right? So you got to be mentally prepared to be able to trade. You should be trying to program your brain, being like, yeah, dude, I'm already the best of the best, bro. Like, I'm literally already the best options trader, futures trader in the world. Like, I mean, I'm just waiting till, you know, I get set amount, and that'll be great. Like, or just literally like, so there was a thing I heard, man, and this is another psychology lesson or whatever. It was a thing I heard, and it was, so if let's say you were to go to your mailbox today, and you have a check for $10 million sitting in there, bro, and you're like, whoa. You go to the bank, you cash it in, and it's real. You're like, yeah, they're gonna be like, hey, next, be like, hey, it's coming in next week, whatever, like a week from now. You're gonna have 10 million in your bank account. How would you walk around your everyday life? First off, you may start thinking about things to invest in. You may be like, okay, I'm gonna buy some real estate, I'm gonna buy this. You'd probably start giving some money to the homeless, right? You'd probably start going to the homeless, being like, hey man, here's some food. Yeah, I got you. The money you already have, you'd start spending on others, giving to others, and doing that thing. This is how we should walk around as traders, knowing that with intentions that this is how your life is gonna be. Being like, hey, what if I told you in 2 years you'd be worth $20 million? Would you walk around today being all sad and gloomy about said lost account or something? No, you'd be like, bro, this is great. Let's do this, man. Let's get back in there. Let's fight. Let's go. That's how you should walk around every single day, bro. You should walk around with a smile, with positivity. Nothing good comes from negativity, bro. I don't care what it comes from, bro. If you're walking around being like, damn, it sucks, I lost, blah, 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 and this and this and this, nothing good comes from it, bro. There's literally nothing that comes except people being like, yeah, I'd hate to hang around that guy. You know what I mean? Like, you know, like, you guys all know somebody in your life that's just always miserable, bro, and you just hate being around them. Because, dude, there's just no point, bro. It's just, like, you can't help them or anything. So, guys, you guys should all walk around with just a smile on your face, knowing that you got it, you create your reality, baby. And that's the YB lesson of the day, baby. Done for the day. Boom. Will these philosophical lessons come every day? No. No, they shouldn't, I don't think. They just kind of randomly happen. So, you're welcome, guys. There you go. Clip it up. Make that your alarm clock. Do what you got to do with it. Guys, NQ ripping higher. On the next pullback down to the 9-day EMA, I might get filled because I see this kind of taking off now, guys. This is the direction for the day starting to form here, guys. So yeah, buddy. Grambo, did you get stopped out there? Also, Spy Prop, I'm demo trading to get ready for a funded account. Just learning about all the rules. Yup. Guys, that's amazing, dude. Learn, and it's kind of weird, bro. Switching from options to futures, bro. You're kind of like, whoa. I just made 200 bucks that fast. You realize how quick NQ moves, bro. How quick ES, RTY, how they all move, bro. That's why, and I will tell you, there is no premium. If you guys are trading with your own money in futures, there is no premium. There is no like, oh, hey, like, blah, 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 like, I'm gonna do this and that and this and that. Like, no, bro, like, if you lose, you lose. That's why prop firms are a thing, guys. Use prop firms. Don't be stupid. Don't be stupido. TiVo, I just seen your post on Snapchat. I will say up. I'm gonna guesstimate up on that one. Yep. Be like, well, no shit, YB. it's like, geez, thanks, buddy. I got you, buddy. Don't you worry about it. TiVo's still in the chat. Alright, guys. It's continuing its push here. If you guys are looking to get filled, have your stop loss. If you're in, like, let's say you're in here and you're just wanting to ride this, have your stop loss at the 9-day. I would be cautious here, right? So to stay cautious, guys, market direction may be fluttering out today. It's Thursday. Hey, happy Thursday, guys. Double top on NQ overall. Double top on NQ overall, guys. Is it a double top on NQ? Kind of not. Kind of put out a little bit higher than expected, but that's okay. So if you guys are looking for puts, what I would look for is maybe a crack of this night, a push back up to it, not being able to break it, and then I get filled for the downside off of that. So yeah, buddy, man. So like I said, man, I hope you guys are all printing. Hope you guys are all loving the day, man. And happy Christmas season, guys. I gotta change around my background. It kind of got destroyed a little bit. Where's this at? You see my money market signs not even lit. None of these lights are up. It's kind of dark back here. It's kind of sad and gloomy. I kind of. No. Forgot I took the batteries out of that. That's like a little like Jack the Skeleton lights. That was for Halloween. It's kind of unupdated. I gotta go to Hallmark or something and grab some more stuff. I'm thinking up to now. Yeah, right? Yup. Oh wow, sorry guys. I did not see any of these texts for some reason. None of these texts were loading up. I just now seen these when I refreshed my page. Sorry guys. None of the chats did. Beautiful NQ. Yep, there we go. So good job, guys. I thought every prop firm gets a percentage with payouts, or is it different for props? Once you pass, you have that money to trade with, no stipulations. Why doesn't everyone trade with a prop firm then? So pretty much, what is it? Yeah, why doesn't everyone trade? Because you have to pass the challenge. So and a lot of people aren't willing to, because look at this. Okay, let's say I make 10K today, right? Let's say I was on an evaluation account and I make 20,000 today. Well, people's head and mind think, hey, I could have made 20,000 if that was my own money. Right? People aren't willing to put down the time, put down the energy, put down the gut, and just sit here and trade it out. Not everyone knows about prop firms as well. Prop firms also get a semi-bad rep for some of the other prop firms in the space. Like, what is it, My Forex Funding and stuff. They basically were like scam props. Guys, I'm thinking about an NQ long here.
Order filled.
It's on 10, okay. Stop loss will be at the price of 79. Yep, and I'm fine with that. There we go. I don't want to see this thing rip and run and continue. But yeah, so they get a semi-bad rep. Not everyone likes it. So it's kind of, you know what I mean? Set you it's not completely easy. And once again, you have a drawdown. So like not everyone can trade $150,000 and not lose 5K, right? Like it's not always the easiest thing to do. But if you can do that and then you can get out of that little range, bro, it's over, dude. It's wide open. You're done. You get funded. You're good. That's it. If you just trade consistently every day, and not everyone is, people treat prop firms as well. Not everyone's a full-time trader yet. So when you're not like, and I mean mentally, not physically, mentally. Like you're not mentally a full-time trader. Like you're not mentally bound to the market. You're not mentally thinking about these strategies. You know what I mean? So yeah, I mean, it's kind of, yeah, I don't know, man. That's kind of how I think about it. Like if you have if you have a strategy for it, then you're good to go. And you should have a strategy anyways. If you're losing 5K in a prop firm in one day, you would lose 5K of your own money in one day, bro. That's how you should think about it, guys. If you're losing 2,500 in that day, imagine if that was your own money, right? So in my head, being completely blunt, guys, if you can't make a little bit with a prop firm, right? Like I understand if you're up to 159K and you have a bad day, but your bad day should not be 5K, man. Like I'm just saying, guys, like you should not allow that to happen. Like, take a step back and stop. Like, think about it as if it was literally your money and everything, man. That's how I try and trade it anyways. I know my drawdowns. I know my ticks. Sometimes I get a little, like today and yesterday, off the rip, I got a little bit excited, exaggerated, I guess you could say. Didn't take the best. Yeah. Sometimes we are degens, and that's completely true, Grambo, right? That's it. Sometimes we're just degenerates, bro, and we just take random trades, and we're just like, you know what I mean? That's the thing about, dude, you got a screw loose up in here, bro. And it's a good screw loose. It's a great thing. S&P want to see this rip and run to push NQ up as well. Anyways, how long do you get to pass the prop firm challenge? You have as long as you want. If you buy a lifetime membership, you get charged 1 penny after you pay the lifetime membership fee. The lifetime, yeah. You get 1 penny every 10 years. So you have as long as you want, bro. You can make $1 a day for the next 10 years. And if that passes, that passes. You know what I mean? You make $50 a day. That's it. Right? So you have as long as you want, buddy. Like, I have this account right here that I kind of messed up. It is a funded account, and it's at 200 bucks, and I'm kind of just waiting on it. I have yet to work my way out of it. It's at $200 stop loss. I'm gonna be trading with like 2 micros. I don't know what I want to do with it yet. That's kind of why I'm letting it sit. But I have the next 10 years to decide what I want to do with it. So I can literally let it sit for the next 10 years and do nothing with it, and that's fine. Let this thing rip and run and take off on me, guys. Want to see this thing continue to take off, guys. I like the price action here. Want to see it continue. I'm in the middle of something. I'm in the middle of like thinking here. What do I want to do? I could see that as a little bit of an upper shadow, or I could see that as coming a little bit green here, and the next candle flushing up back to the top side. Right? All depends on what the S&P does here. I've seen it time and time again where it does go green and it stays green. $14-day EMA right there, holding it up, baby. Yup. Underneath the 9 now, guys. Got to be cautious.
Order filled.
All right, I am going to get filled on 20. Only because I do think this can continue to push and spike and rip and run, guys. Above that 9, I think we get a break to the top side here. We get a break up to basically 1,600. Nice. Nice, guys. So far, so good, man. I love it. I love it. I love it. I think we're going to take off here. I think we're going to take off here, guys. Want a red to green here on S&P. Nice. Want to see it now take off. NQ. Oh, it's beauty. It's a beauty, guys. If it can hold up, it's a beauty. Come on up, baby. Come on up, baby. Hold that. Hold me up, baby. All depends, man. All depends right here. I would love to see this thing take back off. It looks good for a breakout to the top side. Like, NQ wants it, bro. If we get a candle close up here is what I'm looking at. 995 and the next one take off and above. I think a couple dollars. Nice. I think we got it. I think S&P wants it. So I'm just going to wait on it. I'm going to let it rock. All depends on NQ overall reacts with the S&P 500. Guys, if they both start to spike, rip, and run, I think we got it. If not, other way. But I want to see it take off here, guys. I think 1600 can come back into play here. We kind of keep formulating that. If we get that one takeoff, it's wraps. Higher lows keep holding up here on NQ. NQ overall pushing. S&P coming back up. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. What a beauty. What a beauty. Up to 1600. Up to 1600, baby. Guys, there she goes. There she is, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see it take off now above 1600, guys. What a beauty. What a beauty, baby. Boom, baby. Woo.
Stop filled.
Oh, still holding 6. Hold up. Let it rock. Let it rock. Let it rock above 1600, guys. Okay, I guess I'm still in 6, guys. Hey, what a beauty.
Stop.
All right, guys. All right. All right, 756 on the day on this one, baby. What time is it? Let's see this here. Let me refresh this, guys. Sorry, sometimes this doesn't load up. Boom, baby. All right. Here, let me see. Let me read some of these. Back to 971, then for the next leg up. We're close. Right there it was. I just rode that 9, guys, and I just doubled up. That's all I did. I just doubled up. 126.84. I don't think that was right. I don't think that's how that works. I don't know exactly those positions there, but yeah. I just don't like this slowing down. Yeah, I'm looking for 16K break to go long again. I just don't. Right, and now that we're holding it, it's not a bad play. Have your stop loss. That's it. Hey, we get up to 1600 like 8 to 10. Have your stop loss at 1599 999 or 1500 998 flat. Something like that. Like being like, okay, yeah, it's coming back down. I'm out. Right? If we got back above. Right here, I wouldn't right now. It's not bad. So how much am I up on the day? 700, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1100, baby. 1100, baby. So across 2 accounts, guys. And it's been a roller coaster. It's been a roller coaster of a ride, baby. Yep. Okay. All right. There it goes, pushing back up. Keep killing it. Thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. I appreciate it, man. Here's a cat that does not like to listen very well. Thank you, buddy. Yeah, man, it's really just been implementing, like, proper stop losses, proper take profits. It's really what the main thing is, guys. And we're going to go over this in YB Consulting, guys. We're going to go over this. We're going to go over it all. Like I said, guys, I can't wait. But we're going to go over it all. But it's really RR ratios. It's all of it, man. And, like, it's there. So, guys, official release date is coming out, guys. It is coming out next Monday. Money Monday is coming out, guys. It's going to come out next Monday, the 11th. Okay. We got one of two things. Either the 11th or we're going to do... You guys choose. I'll do a poll then. I'll do a poll. But that's what I think. It is ready to go. I just got to hit the update button and she'll be good to go. But, yeah, that's really it, man. So, we'll see. It'll be the 11th of December, guys. S&P is starting to come down now, guys.
Order filled.
Small micro position here. Underneath these lows, man, for more continuation to the downside. I could see more continuation to the downside now in S&P 500. At least down to 80. Stop loss coming up. I know it was a little bit of a premature entry there. Oh, wow. Let's check out NQ overall, guys. NQ overall starting to come down, guys. NQ overall starting to come down, guys. Only in on 10 contracts. Fine with that, though. Fine with that, though, guys. Got that stop loss in place. Don't want to see it hit, though. Want to see it green or red here, guys. RTY looking beautiful to the downside as well. Cannot touch RTY today, though. It's acting very, very, very different. Gonna hold 10. Just gonna hold 10. I think that's gonna come down. What a beauty. Let these lows hold up on it. Next candle formed, I want a red candle here. Guys, I want to see red come in. Cross the tape. Look at it, guys. They're all coming down here, man. Oh, man. Hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it, baby. Hit me with it, baby. Come on, baby. Let's see that downside play come in. It is right there, guys. Dude, RTY looks so good, bro. Guys, RTY looks like a short, bro, coming in, dude. Like an absolute utter short. I think NQ is going to do the same, hopefully here soon with these lower highs continuing to push. I want that one red candle to come in, like, right here, guys, and just dump it. Especially on S&P will help it out tremendously. If not, it's going to do the opposite. Waiting and watching, guys. S&P gets that one crack. I know NQ's coming down, baby. So close to it, man. So close, baby. So close. Starting to come down, guys. Hold up on these lows now, NQ and S&P.
Stop filled.
All right. All right. That means it's taking off now back above, guys, ladies and gentlemen. Yup. Starting to take off back above. Holding up on that 9-day EMA. Has the trend line. That's fine by me. As long as it's holding up, guys, I cannot get in. I'm just going to let it rock now to the downside if it's going to come down. S&P's, I don't care, guys. S&P still looks beautiful. If you guys are in puts right now, I would not even be against that. S&P looks like it wants that one candle to the downside. We're back in the chop, guys. We are back into consolidation. We are back in the chop, guys. So that's really it. Like, we're back into consolidation and chop, ladies and gentlemen. That's it. We just keep jumping back in between chop and not chop. Chop and not chop. Chop and movement. Chop and movement. One of these times, we're going to get movement. And it's going to be good movement. It's going to be clean movement. It's going to be to the downside, guys. Like, NQ overall, man, is setting up, bro, for a nice crack, dude. They all look so good, dude. They all look so beautiful, bro. Okay. Let me load this up for you guys. Hey! Print City today, baby. Unless we get this flush, I think I'm done with futures for the day. Right. No, I caught this. I know you said you sized light, but was it like 1 micro? No, I got caught in a short for a view up retest and went down 700. 1 micro was my pooled thesis and it paid out. That's what I'm saying out until we have a break above 15,985 or 1610. Okay. There we go, buddy. There we go, guys. So, ladies and gentlemen, Grambo, Mambo with the play and Torn Trader with the play, baby. Yeah, I'm waiting for a trend line crack, guys. I'm waiting for a clear-cut trend line crack. I might even take it on this one. Upper shadow starting to form this right here, guys. We'll see. Back above 1600 is beautiful, guys. Below 1985 or above 1610. Right. Okay, I got you, buddy. Yup. Right. I just got that ascending triangle wedge, guys. If it rips and runs, it rips and runs. If it doesn't, it doesn't. Gains are gains, baby. Look at R2I. Like I said, beautiful short, man. Why didn't I take it? R2I has been weird all day, bro. Will not get involved with R2Y. Will not play shenanigans, bro. So, yeah, buddy. Hopefully you guys are printing today. Hopefully you guys are loving today, man. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day, baby. Yeah, guys. I mean, it's chilling out, waiting and watching. As stock traders, obviously, this is what we do all day. We just chill out, wait, watch. You know, you guys obviously have your days, bro. Back up to 4. I said we're getting up to 459 today, guys, and I stick by that. And I stick by that. So we're gonna chop around this area because it's like a wall, bro. 1600 here is like a wall, bro, and it can't be broken that easily right now. We'll do something like that. And if it can't break, guys, to the downside we go. Look at that. Hold on. Hold on. What's the volume on these candles, guys? 100K? Alright, alright. I cannot trust it. I cannot trust it right now, man. I need to see some sort of takeoff.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in here. My stop loss is gonna be tighter. It's gonna be at the price of 9.6. 9.550. I'm looking for it to come in, guys. If not, it stops me out. I'm fine with
Stop
it.
filled.
Fine with it. Immediately fine with it. It's chop right now, guys. It's chop. I'm looking, and I'm gonna do it again, man. I'm gonna punch it in, punch it in, punch it in until I get the one that does it. That's how I play, man. That's how I play this game. There it is, starting to come to the downside, breaking its trend line. Do I trust this? Do I test this? Potentially. I need to see a candle close below or above, guys. Candle close below or above. I need to see some confirmation, guys. I need S&P to do it more than NQ. I'm not gonna lie. I don't give a rat's ass really about NQ. I give a rat's ass about S&P 500, guys. Right? Because as S&P sits in this wedge, that's gonna affect NQ. Same thing with NQ overall, guys. NQ is literally just like a derivative of these plays. So like if you're trading NQ, you need to look at the S&P. You have to have this up. You're trading NQ, you should have NQ overall up. You don't need it as much, but you should definitely have it up. It helps a lot. Right? So like don't mess around and only have NQ up. You'll be like, oh, why'd that move happen? Oh, take a look at the S&P. Oh, okay. Hey, why'd that move happen? Take a look at SPX. Oh, okay. You know what I mean? Like you can't just, you know. News at 11:30 and London session close. Atlanta Fed GDP at 11:30. Oh, okay. All right. I didn't even know that was happening. All right. Thanks, guys. I appreciate that actually a lot. I didn't know that was happening. All right. Is this for? Hold on. I will take it again though above 1600, guys.
Order filled.
I think, guys, I need to see green here. There's no way that we just broke above 1600 here. Yeah, that's what I thought. Let's see green here, bro. I like it right now, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I have a lot setting up to the long side here. long as they hold, they are good to set up. They have to hold here, though. I need to see this red to green here. Would be beautiful. I'm literally filled at 1,600, bro. 1,675. $1,600.75, guys. I want to see a take off and rip and run above that. That's what I'm looking at. If not, stop loss is coming up. Stop loss is about to hit. Like I said, I had everything set up, but it has to work. Red to green here, bro, is what I'm looking at. Back above the trend line, I'm fine with it.
Order
Nope,
filled.
I'm out.
Order filled.
Going short here, guys. Looking for this to hit now. Underneath the trend line, guys. I'm about to get stopped out on this account. I'm fine with that. It's a top step I bought for 11 bucks. Still don't want to, though. This is why I trade those 150s, though, guys. Red. Boom, baby. Coming into play, guys. Want to see the Dumparooski now come. Consolidation finally breaking. S&P break that 50-day, bro. S&P breaking its 50 days. What I'm looking at. It's going to continue the downside. Make NQ push its 50-day. I'm fine with that. I'm saying it, man. I do not want to see an AMD strategy. I want to see a direct strategy hit. A direct dump. I want to see a direct dump. I do not want to see an AMD strategy, guys. I want to see a direct dump coming back down. I think we got it. Coming back down, I think we got it, guys. Realize it's a lot harder to trade with the 50K than the 150s, guys. Want to see that red come in? Direct dump. Direct dump, guys. Sell off. Direct sell off. You'll know what I mean in a little bit when I say that. Like a direct sell off. Like right underneath that 50. Like I don't want to see any chop. I don't want to see anything. I want to see it just crack. What a beauty. It's beautiful right now. I want to touch the 200. I think we got it. I think if that goes red candle here, trap pattern, guys, we got it. It has to break that 50-day.
Order filled.
Oh, guys, I'm still taking it. Like I still want to take it.
Order filled.
Like I still want to take it. I'm not being stubborn. I just know it's gonna work out. I just don't have the wiggle room on the 50K, guys. Like I do. That's why I don't trade 50Ks, guys. That's why if you guys are looking to take a props firm account, dude, take a 150K, take a 300K. Do not take a 50K, bro. Oh, YB, I get paid out faster. But bro, you're like, maybe it's just my strategy. I don't know. I don't like 50Ks. That's why I don't have any other than that top step. I just don't like 50Ks, guys. They're just not really that clean. Like you have such a small window as a trader. That's not what we should be looking at. We should not be looking to make a quick buck, bro. Like, you do not need such a tiny window, bro. Like, I would have got stopped out on that play, and now I'm up. Now I'd be up like 200, 300 bucks on it. But I would have got stopped out. Like, it's like, yeah. I need that red to come in. I need it to break, guys. This is my last trade of the day. If I see any more red here, guys, you know what I might do, man? What's my stop loss going to be? It's going to be coming up here, actually, above that 9. Yeah. How much am I up on the day? Yeah. Yep, I'm out.
Order filled.
I'm taking 391 on it, guys. It's Chop City, man. It's Chop City, guys. I'm done on the day, dude. Very, very slow, unresponsive kind of market right now we're in. I do see another push to another high day up to 459, guys. It's kind of what I'm seeing. 459, I think we're going to touch today. It's very slow. It's very wicky. I don't like 50Ks. Right? Right. That's more my strategies just don't. Yeah, that's more my strategy, right? Maybe if you're 50K, you know, your strategies with your 50Ks pay out well, then that's what's up. But for me, man, 50Ks, my strategies just don't really work with 50Ks. That's just a fact. I definitely see this going up more here, bro. This looks great for more longs. But yeah, ladies and gentlemen, man, I'm gonna call it a day while I'm green, bro. While I'm green. I'm happy to be green. Up on both accounts. This account I am down on, but I'm still up on it technically. And we'll see. Maybe I'm thinking about what I'm going to do is I still have a $1,000 limit. I'm thinking I might just full port one way on it. Just because it's useless. It's literally useless, guys. So yeah, ladies and gentlemen, man. Hopefully you guys are having an awesome, fantastic day, baby. Woo! What a day, though, guys. In general, man. I mean, so we've been chilling out, waiting and watching. We took some positions. Today, this week is slow, bro. This week is a very slow week. If you guys are trading, make sure you take proper, good, clean trades, guys. Yeah, but I would definitely say, definitely take a step back if you need to. Maybe wait till next week if you have to, guys. Tomorrow's Friday, fun Friday, guys. Up on the week. Cannot complain, guys. Woo! Let's wrap it up with a good yeah, buddy. If you guys are green on the week, the day, if you guys are having fun, you guys are having a blast. Woo! In 3, 2, 1. Yeah, buddy. Guys, I love you all. I will see you here tomorrow for that fun Friday, Freaky Friday, Fiesta Friday, whatever you want to call it. Action, baby. Punching it in, getting those trades off. And I hope you guys have an amazing day, man. Take it easy. Peace.